Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So it seems like we have started the move down. We've taken that support area off the chart. That was the support level that broke, that told us that we will not get one more high and that we have already started the wave 2 pullback. I've adjusted support for the wave 2 and I have added a micro count for the move down. We talk about the two possible options. There will always be more than just one scenario, yeah, so that you know what happens if the primary scenario fails. Yeah, it also helps with risk management and with making the right decisions. Okay, so let's talk about the two scenarios we have. So first main scenario is that, as you know, the wave 1 topped here with Thursday's swing high, yesterday's swing high, and that we're now finally pulling back in this wave 2 that many people have been waiting for. And in this wave 2, we should get an ABC correction. So we have an A wave down in 5 waves. We have a B wave to the upside that might unfold in the coming weeks. And then a C wave to the downside in wave 2. I'm looking still sort of at maybe the golden ratio here around 1780. But other support levels are 1828 and 1875. I've already started to scale in again, yeah, on the Ethereum chart. With spot positions, small spot positions, really small so far, smaller positions than I sold in the last few days to take profits. Okay, so just that you know, but I communicate that in the channel membership when I buy and sell. And I would fully expect price to come down lower now, at least one more low, and we're going to talk about that. First of all, we need to be concerned about this smaller time frame structure. This is where, you know, we are going to see how low we probably go. But what you need to understand is, first of all, the primary scenario suggests we're coming down in an ABC structure, ABC. I should also tell you about the alternative wave count, which in the end, well, I mentioned that in the previous video. It doesn't make a great difference in the short term, but I feel it is still important. The alternative wave count suggests that the wave 1 actually topped here on the Monday high, yeah, on the 3rd of July. If that's the case, we had already an A wave down in 3 waves, an overshooting B wave. I hate these B waves, yeah, everybody hates them. And then we would be coming down now in the C wave, indicated here in the yellow with the yellow C. Why is that important? It is not so much important in terms of how low we go, yeah. It is not so much, but it is more important with regards to, you know, some people might say, all right, he's saying we're coming back in an ABC. So, all right, A wave, that's fine. B wave, that's fine. And I wait for the C wave down. I wait for that lowest price in the C wave. But what happens if that C wave never happens? Because of the alternative wave count, okay? Which is also likely. Yeah, this is not like an unlikely scenario. It is the second most likely scenario. So we've got an A wave, a B wave, and with the C wave, this thing could be complete. That's why I don't want to wait with buying, yeah, personally. That's my decision, right? You can do what you want, but just saying that I consider that this move down, because it is impulsive, it could be the C wave. Just that you know, these are the two scenarios. I'm in favor of a clearer ABC structure, but again, the other one is likely as well. And in the end, in terms of the drawback, the drawdown and the pullback, it doesn't make so much of a difference. But it is still important with regards to what comes afterwards. So now if we look at the microstructure, I think Ethereum has completed a wave 1 already on the way down. We want to have five waves down. It has pulled back in a wave 2, come down in a wave 3. Yeah, and now we could be in this 4th wave. Now, interestingly, Bitcoin has 2 1-2 setups here. Yeah, I mean, I could get away with counting that this is not really a 1-2 1-2. So it differs a little bit from Bitcoin, unless we can find something here on the 15-minute chart. Not really. I mean, unless, but that is very weird, unless it's got a 1-2 here. Unless we've got a 1-2 here and then another 1-2. We'll see. But yeah, at the moment, I would just keep it like that. We had a wave 1, we had a wave 2. We're now coming down in a wave 3. This might be nearly done. Yeah, it certainly reached the minimum expectations for a wave 3. Absolutely, in terms of length. It doesn't make sense to go any more micro on the micro chart. And we now have resistance, which goes all the way up to 1954. That means the wave 4, yeah, should or can go all the way up to 1954. It doesn't need to, but it means that as long as we stay below 1954, price can go lower in at least one more low in a wave 5. Maybe more, maybe another, maybe two more lows, yeah? Depending on if we have a 1-2 or two 1-2s. That's just, sometimes you don't know, okay? It's nobody knows. But the micro level, you always see distortion, so I would not rely too much on it. But certainly important to know that below 1954, we can still continue to focus on lower. A break above that would be potentially bullish. And when we get that one more low, this is where we might already turn around in the third wave rally, or it's going to be a B wave. So in both cases, I mean, I'm personally happy to start to scale in into this area, because it would either be a B wave rally, in my opinion, or a third wave. If I see it's corrective on the way up, you can always scale out again, right? But this is sort of strategically how I deal with it. And below 1713, yeah, then we're probably bearish. Very important. But as long as we're holding the 1713 level, we're holding bullish support. Yeah, this is my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.